This reach-in freezer is part of Turbo Air's Super Deluxe Series. It features the company's unique self-cleaning condenser design, which uses a mesh filter and rotating brush to remove dust and debris before it can accumulate. This reduces the amount of maintenance that is required and keeps the unit operating at maximum efficiency. The 3/4 horsepower condenser holds the temperature between -10 and 0 degrees Fahrenheit with an external digital screen displaying the exact internal temperature to help operators ensure food safety. Inside the freezer, bright energy-efficient LED lighting makes it easy to locate stored products. 6 adjustable shelves are included. The shelves are made of stainless steel, which is more durable and sanitary than PVC-coated wire shelves. The interior is also constructed from stainless steel and is easy to access, with the pressure relief design of the doors ensuring the vacuum pressure is relieved for quick and easy door opening. The doors are equipped with magnetic gaskets, which are easy to remove for cleaning or replacing, and come standard with door locks to ensure product security. An audible door alarm sounds to alert the user if the doors do not achieve a positive seal, helping prevent cold air leaks and temperature fluctuations. The smart defrost system uses internal sensors to determine when a defrost cycle is needed, eliminating unnecessary cycles and improving energy efficiency. Additionally, the foamed-in-place high-density insulation used in the cabinet and doors helps improve efficiency and temperature stability. An automatic fan delay stops the evaporator fan when the door is opened, preventing warm air from being drawn in. These features, combined with an energy-efficient refrigeration system, work together to help this freezer maintain its ENERGY STAR certification. For more information on the Turbo Air 2-section freezer, visit us online at KaTom.com or call 1-800-541-8683 to speak with a customer care representative.